Hello my dear students, good afternoon all, welcome back to your online classes. This is your Tasip sir and today we are going to learn my dear students new question. Okay, I hope you all remember what we have done in last session, and last time I was give you a small homework of to find the length. Okay, and you have to find the unit of objects, given objects. Okay my dear students, I hope you all remember. And today we are going to learn exercise number 9b, question number 2. In last lecture we have done a question number 1 and now we are going to learn a question number 2. So which chapter I hope you remember all? Measurement. Okay, so my dear students, here we will start the exercise number 9b, question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, so means we have to fill in the blanks. FB using, means we have to use that centimeter, meter or a kilometer. Understood my dear students? Got my points? What I am telling you all? Okay. Okay, I hope all of that you have understood what I am telling you. So now my dear students, again I give you a brief introduction and brief revision of the all objects. Okay, so I will give you here my dear students. So first is what my dear students, here we will going to learn my dear students this centimeter, meter and kilometer. First of all, kilo, meter, then after the meter, then after the centimeter, centimeter. Okay, my dear students, got my points? Is the centimeter is what? Very short test. So test unit of 3 unit. Is the basic concept here. You have to memorize and you have to remember these things. Okay? And is the longest unit of 3 unit. Note down this my dear students, notes, and which is important for us. So you note down these all things my dear in your book. I hope you all remember dear all. You must be right in your book. Okay, I hope you all remember here. First is the centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay, so a very shortest unit of the 3 units, meter and the kilometer. It is the very longest unit of the 3 units. What my point, all students, you have to learn these all things. It is a very important for us. So now, in basis of this all concept, we are move on further, my dear students. Okay, it's the shortest unit. Shortest unit is the centimeter. It is the any shortest length we have to measure. We have to check. So we we are going to use a semi-centimeter. If so it's not a shortest, it's a long. So we can use the meter that time, and kilometer is a kilometer unit is the measuring from a long distance. Okay. So now we try to write in your book orally. Okay, so I hope you know and you have done this. Now we move on to our question. Question number 1a. Height of coconut tree. Height of a coconut, height of the coconut tree. Understood, my dear students? Height of the coconut tree. Height of the coconut tree is how many centimeter? 10. Okay, but we have to use a which unit we don't know, so we have to write a answer. Then after the second question, B. B is what? Length of an earthworm. Earthworm is the 6 centimeter, is the 6, but we have to find the units. Which units? Centimeter, meter, or kilometer. If we have 3 options, we have to choose. What will it come here? Okay. Put my points, my dear students. Length of. Okay. Then after the question number C. Length of a table. Okay, my dear students, I hope you remember in last session I was give you one work. I think you have completed this work. So try, first of all, you write this all question and think coconut tree, in which unit we are measuring to the coconut unit. Okay, then earthworm. Earthworm is what, my dear students? In earthworm, what we are using in earthworm to measuring to earthworm. Then after the table, which unit you are prefer to measure in the table. So first you will be write the question and then we will move on answer. So first of all you write the question, subject, maths, then write the chapter number 9, then write the exercise number 9b, then after the write the all question. Height of the coconut tree is a 10, length of that earthworm, length of the table. Then after, my dear students, we move on to question number D. So I hope you all know, my dear students, what is this actually? So height of the coconut tree. So in the height of the coconut tree, what we have, my dear students? Height of the coconut tree. So my dear, we are going to learn, check here. Got my points, all my dear students? Understood? Okay, it's a coconut tree. So here we have to check the length of coconut tree. So in which 10, but which 10 meter. We are preferring here 10 meter. It's longer. How many? 10 meter. Okay, it's centimeter. So by the scale we can take the scale and measure the coconut tree. No, it's not possible. We are taking the measure. We are taking the scale of the meter means, and then we are check and we are measure in which unit? Meter. Okay, so here we will write the answer meter, 10 meter. Then after the length of an earthworm. So earthworm, my dear students, earthworm is the earthworm here, and we have to measure the length of earthworm. So in how many length of earthworm? Okay, how many length of earthworm? There is 6, but 6 is what, my dear students? We don't know. Try to guess in here all. It's a 6 centimeter. How many centimeter? 6 centimeter. Because of we can take the scale and easily we are going to measure a earthworm size, earthworm length. Then after the length of the table. Okay, so my dear students, if our which table we are preferring here, study table or any other table, guess the answer first, then you give me answer all. Okay, what my dear students, what my dear students, we have to check the what. Okay, one more thing here, we can here apply the earthworm is what? Meter. What, my dear students, in earthworm we are going to apply a meter, not a centimeter, because of here we take the whole earthworm, its size is too long. Okay, 1 meter, 1.5 meter, if it is possible, so we can take the centimeter. Okay, here means is the both answer will come here. So my points, my dear students, here both answer will correct. Both option is correct. So my point, then after the length of the table. So by the take the scale and I am checking here the all things and all objects in table by the scale. So we can use here the centimeter. Understood? So now we note down the answer. No need to draw the figure all. No need to draw the figure all. Okay, my dear. You note down the answer and then we will move on further, my dear students. So first is height of the coconut tree in meter, length of an earthworm is a meter or centimeter, and length of the table 2 centimeters. Okay, but here which we are applying to, if we have a long table, so that time we are applying here also meter, 2 meter is long. If we have a small table, here is any not a mention a proper size is not measured in the proper size 2, but 2 is what, centimeter or meter? Earthworm 6 meter. Okay, so we can also apply here 6 what, centimeter. Okay, but we have got this all answer because of is in the centimeter. Understood? Then we will move on further, my dear students. Length of shoelace and height of the flagpole. What, my dear students, we are going to apply here all things. Okay, so now we will move on further, my dear students. Question number D. Question number D, E, and F. Okay, so here we will start the question number E. So the first D, then E and F. So we have to measure the distance from the railway station to home. So how many centimeters we don't know. We don't know the centimeter. Dear students, no, it's not coming in the centimeter. So it's coming in the meter. No, it's not coming in the meter. So which unit we have left? Kilometer. Why? It is a very long distance from the railway station to home. Okay, distance from the railway station to home is a 6 kilometer. Understood, my dear students? Kilometer is a very longest unit, and you think about your home and railway station. The very long distance. That's why we are referring the kilometer. Then after the question number E, length of a shoelace. Means where you are wearing a shoes and we have to measure the length of shoelace. So how many length we have to measure in the meter? If we have to measure in the kilometer, no, we cannot take the meter or kilometer. We can take the centimeter. Okay, you take the shoes lace and you measure by the scale. It's coming in the centimeter. Okay. Then after the F, dear, height of flagpole. What, my dear students? Height of a flagpole. So means which unit we are preferring here, my dear students? I hope you all remember flagpole. It's coming the meter. Here to standing down to upside. Okay, it is a long. So we can take the meter. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Note down the question and then after answer. Then we will move on further, my dear students. Okay. Means then after, my dear students, we have a one, study the map. Okay, what we have, study the map and give a answer. So my dear students, first of all, quickly write the all question and answer and then we will move on further. Okay, I hope you all remember, dear all, what I am telling you here. Then after we will move on further, my dear students. Move on to question number 3. home at the place close to shown at the map. Study the map first to the question answer. The means I am going to draw here the one map and we have to give a answer. Okay. Means I am not going to draw here the any drawing. Okay, I am only just draw the what all going to draw on name. Railway station, railway station. Okay, railway station. Got my points, my dear students. Then after it's coming into the market. And how many distance means market? What is the market? Okay, and then after it's home. So my dear students, you have to draw with me all things in your book quickly. Put my points on my dear students. This is the which home? Anil's home. Okay, it's Anil's home. Anil's house. Okay, all it's Anil's house. Put my points. It's Anil's house. And we have to draw these all things. Then after here is the airport. Airport. Then after, my dear students, is the post office. Okay, it's the post office. So you are going to draw in proper way, my dear students. Understood what I am telling you all, my dear students? Take the proper measurement. Okay, and then here is one thing. Here is skill lab, school. School. Okay, so now here we will write the distance all 4 kilometers. Since I am mentioning here all things first. Put my points on what I am telling you here. And then after it's school to post office, and then here market to school. If we have to correct, and we have to minus all things. It is a 4 kilometer. Railway station to home 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer. And then airport to post office is a 6 kilometer, and then market to school 2 kilometer, and then school to post office 3 kilometer, and Anil's home to school is 3 kilometer. Okay, my dear students, see this is all distance. And we have to find the answer. So we have to make them all things. Railway station. See, it's the name of the boy Anil. Anil's house. Is the school. Is the post office. Is the airport. Okay, is this airport? Good my points, my dear students. Airport, and then is the post office, then school and market. It's a daily routine area and work, and it's major. So Anil's house is here, post office is here, school is here, market is here, railway station is here, and airport is here. So it's a kilometer. Okay, from Anil's home to school is 3 kilometer. Okay, school to post office is 3 kilometer, and airport to post office 6 kilometer. The post office. Understood? So okay, so now you try to go in your book, my dear students, properly, and then we will move on further. So the shortest route of Anil's house to market is via dash and is kilometer. Means we have to find the distance. We have to find the new road is the shortest distance. Okay, Anil's home to the school. Home to school is a very short distance. See. Okay, home to school is a very small distance. If I am telling you, my dear students, home to you are going to the office. So you take the school road or this road. So you are going to this road. Understood? School road. So it's 3 kilometers. It's very short. So this type of the question we are going to learn in the next session. Okay. So in next session we are going to learn question number 3 and question number 4. Also, I hope you all are understood. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you for watching this video.